Good day, guys. This is Unit 3, Formula of 1, Video 3 on multi-step inequalities. Just like we do with equations, we're just solving for x, doing the same steps as we have. So I'm just going to put my line here. And so 3x plus 13 we have on the right side. So to isolate my variable term right here, I'm going to subtract 13 first. So negative 8 minus 13, that is negative 21. And then we divide by 3 to isolate the variable. So negative 21 divided by 3 is negative 7. So negative 7 is less than or equal to x. If you don't like how that's written, you could say x is greater than or equal to negative 7. Here's our number line here. Put our 0 there and negative 7 and positive 7. Do a closed circle because it's greater than or equal to, and we shade to the right. And then our interval notation. Remember, going left to right, it starts at 7 and goes all the way to positive infinity. We use a parenthesis, of course, on the infinity, and since it's closed, we use a bracket for the 7. Looks like we have a multi-step inequality here, where we have to combine like terms, 2x and negative 3x. So 2x and negative 3x gives us negative 1x. And then we just drop down our 4. Next, it's just like the previous one. We're going to isolate the variable term by subtracting 4 first. So negative 1x is less than 7 minus 4 is 3. And we finally divide by negative 1. X is less than negative 3. On our graph here, we plot our numbers here. This time we use an open circle because it's not equal to, it's just less than. And we go to the left. In our interval notation, remember, left to right, so we're starting at negative infinity and stopping at negative 3. And we use parentheses for both because of infinity, and then it's an open circle. And then finally, we have an inequality with variables on both sides here. So again, remember with equations, we want to simplify first. So I see we have a distributive property part here we have to do. So we're going to just drop the left side down, and then we're going to distribute the 4 with the y and the negative 3. So 4y, and 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay, now we can start moving our variable terms. Remember, don't just do 4 minus 3. They're on opposite sides, so you have to do an inverse operation. I'm going to add 3y because I like to work with positive variable terms. So then we drop our 16 down. 16 is greater than 4y plus 3y, that is 7y. And drop our 12 there. Next, we're going to add 12 to both sides to isolate the 7y. 16 plus 12 is 28. It's greater than 7y. Divide by 7. Y is less than 4. Again, I switched it because generally we like to see the variable on the left side. For a graph, got our 4 here. Make sure you use an open circle again because it's not equal to, and it's less than, so we shade to the left. And our interval notation, again, left to right, starts at negative infinity goes to +4 and stops, using parentheses for both since it's not equal to. Alright, there you have it. That's our last problem for this video. You guys have a good day.